Alright guys, good morning. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be using turtle wax to shine the Mustang. And it's really dirty. It's not that clean. I'll show you guys here. Car's, it's not that dirty. I did wash it a couple days ago, but I didn't wax it. So I want to re-wash it, clean it, give it a nice wax, give it that shine now that the sun is out. See how well we can use it. We're actually using the new turtle wax. And this is supposed to be the, you guys can see here, there we go. New and improved formula. So let's see how well this works on the Mustang today. And please remember guys, before we start this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's wash it, and then we're gonna hand wash the whole thing. I mean, let's get some water on it, but we're gonna hand wash it. It's way better. And then we're gonna take it in the garage and start waxing it, as it does say on there. Not to be under direct sunlight. It's not too hot really to be able to do it outside, but you know, just to play it on the safe side. So let's do it. Alright guys, check it out. So washed it, wiped it, it's dried, everything looks pretty good. Now we're just gonna drive it in and start waxing everything down. First I'm gonna wipe it again because of all the dirt that sticks on it, but for now it looks good. Alright guys, so look, just did half. I'm gonna do the whole car, but I just want to show you guys the difference. Here, if it focuses, there we go. Tell the difference. Look at that shine. Sure, it doesn't want to focus, but you guys can tell. So I'm gonna do the whole car, and then we'll see how it looks when I'm done. It's gonna take a while, so I'm not gonna have you guys watch the whole thing. So let's skip to the end. Alright guys, check it out. We're done. Look how nice I came out. Real nice. Let me know what you guys think about the turtle wax. It's supposed to be their new product. Looks real good. If you guys like the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Do a couple other cars next. But yeah, definitely love it. It looks good. Has a nice shine to it. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.